Are you struggling to get high-paying gigs on Fiverr? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 21 Fiverr alternative platforms that you can use to make even more money online in 2023. I recommend that you get your pen and your paper so that you can write down the platforms that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, so that after watching the video, you can go through the platforms one after the other and sign up. Now, if you have your pen and paper ready, let's dive in. And number one on my list is freelance.onespace.com. It's an amazing platform that you can use to make so much money for yourself as a freelancer. If you stay to the end of this video, I have a tiny gift for you that will save you the stress of writing down all the URL by yourself. And that brings us to the number two. Number two is gigbox.com. As you can see, gigbox.com is just similar to SEO Clerk that I've been mentioning on this platform. It's an amazing platform that you can just go sign up and start offering your services and start making money instantly. As you can see, they have a lot of categories here. You can see the categories. They have advertising, art and creative, business, fun and bizarre, gift ideas, graphics, and so on and so forth. So take your time and go through the platform after watching the video so they can sign up and list your services and start getting paid, because that's the most important part, right? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be sharing how you can get paid by this platform by the end of the video so that you find it very easy to pull out your money when you sign up. So number three on our list is Zerk.com. Now, this is a micro jobs and freelance services from $4 to $200. So you're going to be making between $4 to $200 per job. And it's an amazing platform, just like every other one that I've mentioned so far. And you can see the type of services that they offer. Just sign up and start offering your services and start getting paid. The amazing part of signing up with all these platforms is that it's going to help you get multiple orders on a daily basis. So instead of just sitting down and waiting for orders from just one platform, you have 21 platforms, and there's no way, at least in a day, you will not get up to 5, 10, 15 orders. And then multiply that by 30 days, you can then imagine how much you're going to be making on a monthly basis. And that brings us to number four. Number four is inboxdollars.com. Be rewarded for taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, playing games. How it works: brands pay us for consumer input. We recruit members like you, and you do the online activities, paid surveys, cashback shopping, trying new apps, exploring new products and services, playing games and more. Then you earn real cash, not points. So this platform pays you real cash, and that is why I had to add this platform. I'm going to be breaking down most of this platform in future videos. So in order not to make the video very long, I'm just going to mention the platforms, and then in subsequent videos, I'm going to be breaking them down one after the other so that you can best understand how they work. But I advise that you sign up with all of them so that when I start breaking it down, it will be very easy for you to understand and follow along. And then you can't see that video if you're not subscribed to this channel. So this is an opportunity for you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that video when I upload it, and also cool videos like this. The interesting part that I will not fail to tell you is that you get an instant $5 sign-up bonus once you sign up today. So go ahead and sign up with inboxdollars.com, which brings us to the next platform, and that is taskrabbit.com. Unfortunately, this one is not for people living outside of the US, but if you're living in the US, this is an amazing platform. And that brings us to the next one, which is Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content moderation, and more. So go ahead and sign up with Amazon Turk and start making money. You're going to make a ton of money with Amazon Turk, I promise you that. And the next one is rapidworkers.com. Go ahead and sign up with Rapid Workers. It's an amazing platform that you can use to make money as well. Just like the other ones that I've mentioned, you're going to be doing micro tasks like liking a YouTube video, follow someone on Twitter, fill up an insurance form, create a Gmail account for someone, upload 5 pictures to a site, sign up for an online game, and so on and so forth. And that brings us to the next platform, which is microworkers.com. And these are the things that you can do on this platform: surveys, content moderation. With this platform, you're going to be making a ton of money if you take your time to understand how it works. This one needs a little bit of understanding to do, so I would like to break this down in a separate video so that I won't make this video very long. So please go ahead and sign up with this platform, microworkers.com. As you can see, all these things are services that they offer on this platform. So you just sign up and pick the services that you can offer as a freelancer and then start doing those services. As you can see, here is rate landing page, build words database, think up questions for chatbots. So you're going to think up questions that people are most likely going to ask a particular chatbot and you get paid for it. So a lot of things you can do for this platform and make so much money from it, which brings us to the next platform, which I believe you already know, so I'm not going to say much about this. That is Upwork. Upwork is also an amazing platform that you can use to make money. It's a Fiverr alternative, and it's even a better alternative because I know a lot of people that have been hired full-time from Upwork, and that is why I added it, just in case you don't know that that is possible. So please go ahead and sign up on this platform if you don't have an account with them yet. And that brings us to the next platform, which is freelancer.com. Hire the best freelancers for any job online. World's largest freelancer marketplace. Any job you can possibly think of. Save up to 90% and get quotes for free. Pay only when you are 100% happy. So this is more like the same thing with Fiverr, but with a little twist. And here is the next one, which is SEO Clerk. I've talked so much about SEO Clerk on this platform. SEO Clerk is almost as old as Fiverr. So if you sign up on SEO Clerk, you're going to be getting jobs faster and it's more flexible and you can easily bend the rules. So go ahead, sign up with SEO Clerk and start making money with SEO Clerk. All these platforms are amazing. They are unique in their own way. If you sign up with all of them, you'll be making money across all the platforms, and that's going to be a lot of money at the end of the month. That brings us to the next platform, which is Clickworker. I've mentioned Clickworker on this channel before in the past video that I've done. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can go through the video if you're interested to learn how you can use Clickworker to make money. But it's quite easy. Just go ahead and sign up and start making money. And that brings us to the next one, which is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a freelance platform just like the other ones that I've mentioned that you can use to make money. So please go ahead and sign up with People Per Hour if you have not signed up with them already. And here you can see most popular categories that they have: content writing, SEO, web development, logo design, voiceover, illustration, and drawing. Or you can click here to see all their categories and everything. Then you can go ahead and sign up and list the services that you're going to be offering as a freelancer and start making money right away. Which brings us to the next platform, which is truelancer.com. Please go ahead and sign up with Truelancer. I'm not going to be going into details like I said before, so that I don't waste your time in this video. I'm going to be breaking them down in a separate video, one after the other. But it's an amazing platform that you can use to make money on the side. And that brings us to the next platform, which is surveys.gobranded.com. Get paid for your opinion with branded surveys. All you have to do for this platform is just surveys and you'll be getting paid for it. So go ahead and sign up with the platform and start getting paid to do surveys. And the next platform that I have for you is Tips3. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but just go ahead and type in the URL just as you're seeing on the screen. Tips3 works seamlessly in the background to allow consumers to earn money from their data. And then the next one is swagbox.com. Get free gift card and cash for the everyday things you do online. We've paid our members over $815 million. If this sounds cool to you, go ahead and sign up with the platform so that you can partake in this $815 million that they've paid out to their members. So go ahead and join the platform. As you can see, it's totally for free. Join for free and start making money with your mobile phone. And the next one is respondent.io. So go ahead and sign up with this platform and start getting paid to do research. Which brings us to the next platform, and that is appen.com. Appen is another platform that you can use to make a lot of money for yourself. So go ahead and check out Appen, sign up and start making money on Appen. And the next platform is ysense.com. Earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. You're going to be taking surveys and you get paid for it. So go ahead and sign up with Ysense and start making money to do surveys. And that brings us to the next one, which is gigwork.com. Identify and fix channel execution issues. Gigwork helps businesses collect data and execute remote tasks at scale. bring your own team, or tap into our network of 1.7 million gig workers. See some of the things you're going to be doing: website and mobile app testing, consulting and market research, consumer brands, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and sign up with Gigwork and start making so much money from this platform. Now that you stayed to the end of this video, I promised that I was going to give you a tiny gift to save you the stress of copying down all this URL by yourself. So all you have to do now is go to the description and click on this link, and you will have access to all the platforms that I mentioned in this video. Most of these platforms only pay through PayPal. So if you need to get paid by this platform, you need to have a working PayPal that can receive money. And if you live in a PayPal restricted country, you know that it's very difficult to open a PayPal account that works. But I've been able to crack the code on why you always get banned whenever you create a PayPal account and what you should do so that you not get banned. I made a video here. Go ahead and watch it so that you can learn how you can open a PayPal account safely without being banned. If you already have a working PayPal account, I recommend that you watch this video next so that you can learn more ways to make money online. See you on the other side.